Hello everyone. Today we have a 55-year-old male patient with prolapsed intervertebral disc at L4 L5 level. Patient has complaints of bilateral lower limb pain, right more than left, since past 9 years, which has increased since past 1 month. MRI shows central disc herniation at L4 L5 level. For him, we have planned a right-sided transforaminal endoscopic discectomy procedure. The needle is inserted at 14 cm from the midline into the disc space at L4 L5 level. In the lateral view, the needle is inserted in the subannular region. The endoscopic cannula and dilator are inserted over the needle up to the midline. The endoscope is inserted and subannular, central and paracentral disc debulking is done. At 12 o'clock is the posterior region, 3 o'clock is towards the head, 6 o'clock is anterior towards the disc space, and 9 o'clock is towards the leg. Once adequate central debulking is done, the endoscopic cannula is withdrawn to the foramen and half in half out view is seen, which means in above region you can see the epidural space and below is the disc level. Further cleaning of this space is done to visualize the traversing nerve root and the dura. A radiofrequency bipolar cautery is used to shrink the surrounding soft tissues and improve our visualization. Now you can see the dura and the traversing nerve root at 12 o'clock position with the disc space at the 6 o'clock and the middle. We can now see that the dura is already free and is moving quite well with the pressure of water column. In the center we can see the posterior annulus, and below the posterior annulus is the disc space. Further subannular decompression is done by removing the nuclear fragments below the annulus. Keeping the annulus intact at this step helps to prevent injury to the dura and makes our work quite easy. After doing the subannular decompression, you can see how well the dura and the posterior annulus is moving. But still, the posterior annulus is preventing the dura to move completely. Radiofrequency probe is used to coagulate the sinovertebral nerves on the posterior annulus, which are the main cause of back pain in such patients. Now the annular cutters are used to carefully create a plane between dura and the posterior annulus and cut that part of the annulus up to the midline. We try to achieve decompression on both sides with entry from the one side only. The annulus is sequentially cut across the midline until we visualize the opposite side traversing nerve root. A radiofrequency probe is used to coagulate the cut ends of the annulus, to ablate the remaining sinovertebral nerves and to achieve the hemostasis. In this CM view, we can see that the annulus is cut very well across the midline and radiofrequency probe can move freely across the midline to the opposite traversing nerve root. Further annulotomy and subannular decompression is done to achieve decompression of the opposite side traversing nerve root. We can now see that our grasper is reaching up to the opposite side medial pedicle line, which means it is completely decompressing the opposite side traversing nerve root. This work is now complete, and now we focus more on the foraminal work. We use a radiofrequency bipolar probe to coagulate the surrounding soft tissue to visualize our decompression completely. We then turn our cannula towards the head to visualize the knot of tissue at the superior articular process and to see if the exiting nerve root is free or not. This knot of tissue is coagulated with a radiofrequency probe, and we can see the dura is now completely decompressed. This is the final view of the decompression that we have achieved, and we can see how beautifully the dura is freely moving now, and there is no compression on either side of the dura. Finally, the hole that we have created is filled with the platelet-rich fibrin plug, which prevents the reherniation of disc. PRF plug also has the effect of anti-inflammatory action in the posterior annulus and reduces the post-operative pain. This procedure is done completely under local anesthesia using a 7mm skin incision and no stitches required. Thank you for watching. I am Dr. Ankit Madharia, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.